I'm going out to explore my local area today, and I'm going to use one of these. It's a map. This type is called an Ordnance Survey Map, or OS map for short. Basically, the UK is split up into chunks, and each chunk is given a name that's made up of letters and numbers. This one is OL21, which covers Burnley and Halifax. This map can show me all of the paths that I can walk along, and also lots of the features that I might see along the way. But when you look inside an OS map, they can seem really confusing. There are just lines and symbols everywhere. But what do they all mean? Well, let's have a little look. Inside the map, you'll see that there are faint blue lines in a grid pattern. If you're out on the moors or in a forest, there won't be any street names around to help you know where you are. So this grid chops up the area you're exploring even further and helps you find exactly where you are using a grid reference number. This is useful for lots of reasons, but particularly if you suddenly need help and have to explain where you are to emergency services. So for example, I'm currently at SD 933258. You can find out more about grid references on the Ordnance Survey website. Another way to work out where you are is using the What 3 Words app. You don't need any numbers at all for that, just 3 words. You'll also see that there are lots of thin, wiggly orange lines all over the map. These aren't paths, they're contour lines, and they show you how high or steep different bits of the landscape are. So you'll see this one here, all the way along that line, it's 400 metres above sea level. There's usually a 5 metre height difference between contour lines. So if I walk from here to here, I'll be 5 metres higher up the hill, or one contour line. The closer together the contour lines, the steeper the hill. So look how close together these ones are. Ooh, pretty steep. I think I better walk up the other way. So I can actually make my own contour map just using my hand and a pen. So if I go like this, I've made my own little hillside, and I'm going to draw lines all at the same height. I need to be careful not to wiggle up or down and try and keep them all the same. Something like that. So I've now drawn my contour lines on the actual mountain, and when I flatten out my hand, I've made my contour map. Contour map of Hand Mountain. Finally, what on earth do all these things mean? To find out, I need to have a look at the map key. Here we are. This is called a key, and it shows you what all of the marks on this map mean. Now I can see that this bird symbol means that there's a nature reserve here. This castle shape means there's a castle. This dotted green line means it's a footpath, and this one, made of longer green dashes, is a bridleway. That means I could ride my bike along here, or even a horse. But as I've not brought a bike or a horse with me, I guess I'll just have to walk.